share with you guys the June Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box unboxing. So Simply Earth, if you're not familiar with it, is an essential oil company that sells online on simplyearth.com. And they have this really cool essential oil recipe box where you get 4 essential oils plus recipes and then some of the supplies that you need in order to make things, different DIY projects with the essential oils that you can buy for $39 a month. They have different themes around them each month, and so this month is a very summery theme. I'm going to go through what you guys get for the essential oils, what the recipes are, and then the things that you get in this month's box. If you use the code Anya Marie Free at their website, you can get I believe it's a $40 gift card plus a bonus box. I've gone through the bonus box before. I will leave a playlist linked here of the other Simply Earth essential oil boxes that I've unboxed before. So the essential oil recipe box bonus box that you get with it if you use my code, the bonus box comes with a bunch of different carrier oils, so like coconut oils, almond oils, those types of things, and then different containers that you would use for certain recipes, so things like the diffuser bottles, some other roll-on bottles, those types of things. So if you use that code, you can get a $40 gift card to the Simply Earth website that they will email you, plus the bonus box when you get your first essential oil recipe box. So I'm going to go through what you guys are going to get in the box if you sign up for the subscription service for this month. It is a summery theme, as I said. In the box, you always get 4 essential oils. So this month's essential oils are grapefruit, so obviously a very citrusy scent. Palmarosa, which they say is a sharp and floral aroma. This isn't one that I have heard of before, but it smells citrusy to me as well. I don't smell as much floral, although there's a hint of it. To me, it's more citrusy. Then they sent you a head soothing recipe. So this one has a mixture of hoe wood, lavender, and frankincense essential oil. This one to me smells very strongly of lavender, but it's supposed to help if you have a headache. It's supposed to help ease that. And then the last essential oil that they sent this month is anise star, which is spicy and licorice, and I would say that that's exactly what it is. It is very licoricey scent. Then the bonus items that they sent to help you create the recipes that they sent for this month include dry hibiscus flowers, and then you have a sprayer bottle and aloe vera, which is a liquefied aloe vera. I usually, when I think of aloe vera, I think of like a gel, but this one is a liquidy formula. They always send stickers so that you can label the things that you make so you know exactly what's in them, so you don't have a bunch of these random similar looking vials laying around. They have ones that you can put on the different recipes, but they also have these little smaller ones that you can put on either like the tops or the bottoms of the bottles so that depending on how you arrange them, you can see them more easily. And then this month they sent 6 recipes. All of them are themed around summer ideas. So the first one's a very easy one to make. This is the Travel Buddy Roll-On. So this one you use 5 drops of the Head Soothing Blend, a drop of the Star Anise, almond oil, which comes in the bonus box, and then a roll-on bottle, which would also come in the bonus box if you guys use that Anya Marie Free code. So basically you just mix the oils with the almond oil the rest of the way, and then you can roll it on. And this one's supposed to help for confidence, digestion, nausea support, and headache relief, apparently. And then you can use it also to help with travel stiffness, which makes sense for the Travel Buddy. Next up is one that I'm actually super excited about because I've been using this a lot. So this is a Beachy Hairspray. Recently I've been doing a lot of braiding my hair like this, but then in the morning, like I'll sleep overnight with my hair like this, and in the morning I'll let it out. I'll spray it with like a sea salt spray or a beach spray, and then I'll add some curls. And I've been loving that. So this actually works out perfectly for that. This one you need boiling water, sea salt, almond oil, which comes in your bonus box, grapefruit essential oil, and then just the spray bottle that they sent. So you would mix the sea salt into the boiling water, you'd add the essential oil and almond oil, and then you put it in a spray bottle, and then you spray it on your dry hair, and it gives like a texture, and it would also smell really good and citrusy and kind of beachy. So that one is one that I will definitely be using soon because I love sea salt sprays anyway, so that actually works perfectly. The next one is a diffuser blend, so this is called the Summer Day Diffuser Blend. This one you would add a drop of the Head Soothing Essential Oil, the Palmarosa Essential Oil, the Star Anise Essential Oil, and the Grapefruit Essential Oil. So this one has all 4 of the ones that they send with you, and then you diffuse it into a diffuser. If you want to make a bigger version of it, they give you the little dropper versions in the bonus box so that you can use that. One thing that I'm not huge into, but I think is a really cool idea if you often do baths, they have the Hibiscus Skin Repair Bath Salts. So this one you would need to buy Epsom salts, and then you would add in the almond oil, dried hibiscus flowers, the Head Soothing Essential Oil, grapefruit essential oil. You would put it in a small sealable container, and those you would then mix into a bath that you create. So it should be like a rejuvenating bath, it says. I don't often take baths, so this isn't something that I will probably make, but for those of you that do, I'm sure bath salts are soothing anyway, but it would be a nice way to just amp up your bath a little bit. This is something I definitely need. I tend to get burnt very easily in the sun. So this is an after sun blend to help soothe your skin if you've been in the sun or if you have sunburn. So this, you would use the aloe vera, you would use the head soothing essential oil, the palmarosa essential oil, distilled water, and then the spray bottle. So you mix the aloe vera and the essential oils together, and then you fill it the rest of the way with water, and then you just use it as like a cooling relief, and it supports your skin. And it says to put it in the fridge, which obviously would feel much nicer if your skin is hot or overheated from the sun. Putting on like a really cooling aloe vera gel mixture would feel really nice on warm skin. So that one I will definitely use as well, since I often burn super easily. And then the last one that they have for recipe this month is the Hibiscus Frozen Facial. So this one, you use aloe vera, grapefruit oil, palmarosa oil, water, dried hibiscus flowers, and then you put it together in an ice cube tray. So you mix the aloe vera and essential oils and stir. Then you add the water, you put it into an ice cube tray, and then you put the dried hibiscus flowers into the different compartments, like you sprinkle it on top. And then you stir them up and you put it in the freezer. Once they're frozen, then you can apply it to your face as like a facial, where you can wrap it in a towel or you can apply it directly to your face, which I'm sure like the ice cold would soothe your skin, close pores, things like that, but I'm sure the essential oils in it also do something. It does say that the hibiscus can stain your clothes though, so be careful of that. You keep it in the freezer for when you're going to use it. So that is it for what's coming in the June essential oil box. If you guys want to sign up for it, I will leave my referral link and that code down below. They do send me this box for review, but I think that's super cool. If you're interested in DIY projects or things that are less chemically, that you know exactly what's going into them to make you feel a little bit better about what you're putting on your face or what you're putting on your skin, I think this is a great way to do it. And especially because they send you so much of the items that you need, it's easier for you to actually create them versus things where I get the essential oil, but I don't have all the other pieces and I have to look up the recipes. This one is just a really convenient way to actually create those things and create more sustainable things that you might not have thought of before, so you don't have to keep rebuying and rebuying products. It's a great way to go about that. So if you guys are interested, I will leave those links down below. I will also leave that playlist linked up here if you guys are interested in checking out some different boxes that they've sent in the past. I'd love to hear if you guys have any thoughts on any of these products. If you've used Simply Earth oils before or gotten their boxes before, let me know that in the comments down below as well. If you have any questions, let me know that. I will do my best to answer those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.